Here's how to update Google Play services if it won't run. Now, if you're getting an error message that says essentially Google Play services won't run unless you update it, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, you might be getting an error that looks kind of like this. Update Google Play services. This app won't run unless you update the Play services. Now, if you're getting this error or you just need to update it, the first thing we'll do is swipe up from here and get into your settings. So tap on settings from here. And now from here, just go to apps. So scroll down until you get to the apps section. There it is, and tap on it. And now we'll locate Google Play services. So scroll down until you find the option for Google Play services and tap on it. We're going to do a few different things in here. The first thing we'll do is scroll down until we get to storage. And first, we're going to clear the cache. So clear cache. And then the second thing is we're going to clear the data associated with this app. You can see if I tap on it, it shows a bunch of different things about search data and wearable, but I'm going to hit clear all data. Now, after I've done that, I'm going to go back out of here. And the first thing I'm going to do is tap on the three dots at the very top right. And I'm going to choose to uninstall these updates and hit OK. Essentially, this will revert Google Play services to the old, basically, version, and then I'll be able to update it. But before I do that, I'm going to hit force stop at the very bottom right and hit OK. Now we've done everything on here. Now we just need to make sure it's updated. So scroll down and tap on App Details in Store. Tap on App Details in Store here. And now from here, you can see either it will say update, or in my case, it just automatically reinstalled the latest version. If it did, then you're good to go. You should be able to go in there and it's fully updated. Or if you do see an update button, just tap on it and get the latest version and you'll be good to go. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below. Leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.